I don't think people understand why we get hiccups, so let's clear that up. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle under your lungs, spasms unexpectedly. This makes you suck in air quickly, and your vocal cords snap shut, creating that classic hic sound. But why does this happen? Well, hiccups can be triggered by lots of things. Eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even getting too excited. Your brain sends mixed signals to your diaphragm and boom, you've got hiccups. Now here's a fun fact. Even babies in the womb can get hiccups. They're practically hiccup pros. So, next time you hiccup, just remember it's your body's quirky way of saying, hey, take it easy. And don't worry, they usually go away on their own. Stay curious and keep those questions coming.